hope you are absolutely fine. So today we'll be talking about operators in C++. We use operators to perform some action on data. In today's video, we will learn all major operators in C++. Operators are like tools. We have plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and greater than for comparison. We have like this greater than and less than comparisons. So these operators help us to do calculations, compare values. Like these helps us to do some calculation. Like if we want to calculate 10 plus 3, right? So it will be 13. We will be using addition on that. And for subtraction like that, 10 minus 3. If we talk about types of operators, we have different type of operators. Arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We have modulus also. Modulus operator. So let's go to the code section. As you can see here, in the arithmetic operators, we have taken two integer a and b, and we are just printing it a plus b. So whenever we are writing something inside the double quote like this, hello sub. So what does it mean? It means we are not going to change anything on it, and we will just print it. Okay, so it will work as a string a plus b equals to. So it will print as it is. And then we are using addition operator. As you can see, a plus b. For addition we will use plus, for subtraction minus, and for multiplication we will be using this, and for division we are going to use this, and for modulus we have this percentage sign. So modulus operator, it gives us the remainder, like 10 divided by 3 leaves 1. As you can see here, if we divide 10 divided by 3, I'll get, so 3 into 3 is equals to 9, right? So remainder will be 1. And for 3 divided by 3, or we can say moduli, modulus equals to 0. So here it is. If we just run it, we'll have a plus b equals to 13. So as a is 10 and b is 3, we'll have 13. A minus b equals 7, a into b 30, and a moduli b 1. And then again, if we talk about another operators, we have relational operators. It is relational operators. So relational operators check relationship like greater than, equal to, or not equal to. So I will explain you one by one. In this example, we have taken an integer marks, right? So we have taken an integer marks equals to 75, and then we are printing if marks is greater than 50. So we are just comparing it. So if marks is greater than 50, it will just return 1. If marks is equals to 100, then it will return 1. If marks is not equals to 50, then it will return 1. So we have marks equals to 75. So obviously marks is greater than 50, so it will return 1. So the output will be 1. And if marks is equals to, it works as equals to. We use it to check if first element is equals to second element or not. Okay. And for the next one, as you can see, a is equals to b. We all understood it. But if we talk about a and then we use this exclamatory sign b, it means it is not equals to b. So yeah, if we run it, you will find it 101, right? So as you can see, for marks is greater than 50, it is 1, and for this it is 0, and this is 1. So I hope you understood the second part also. And if we talk about third part, that is logical operators, in this you can just see we have logical operators, right? So I've taken one example also. In this we have age equals to 20. I've taken an integer and the salary to integer, and we are printing if age is greater than 18 and then salary is greater than 25,000. So there are three logical operators. One is AND, second is OR, third is NOT. So for this we can just say for AND operator we have to make sure first element and second element or both the condition should be true to make this true. And for OR operator you can just say A or B. Even if this condition or if this condition is true, then we will have true, otherwise we will have false, right? And for not condition, like this we can say both true, then it should be true. And for not condition, we just have to use one exclamatory, so it will change, like 0 exclamatory will become 1 and 1 exclamatory will become 0, so it will just negate it, right? So as you can see here in the logical operators, we have AND, OR and NOT, right? We have three type of logical operators and we are taking two integers and we are printing if age is greater than 18 and then cell is greater than 25. So you can consider it as a driving license rule. If your age is greater than 18, then you can drive, right? Or you can hold a license. So it works like that. So if you run the code, you can just see 110. So for this it is 1, for it is 0, and this is 0 because age is 20. So this condition holds true. And salary is 25,000, greater than 25,000. So this condition also holds true. So the option solution will be 1, right? And for the second one, age is greater than 18, yes. And the salary is greater than 40,000. No, this is not correct. And we are using negation. Age is greater than 18, yes, it will become 0. Then you can say negation of 0, it will become 1. So yeah, sorry, again. So negation of 1, it will become 0. This solution is 0. That's how it works. And the last operators are assignment operators. We can just do it here. Assignment operators. So let's take a quick example of it because these are easy. So as you can see, we have taken an integer score. Let me just wrap it into the int main function so that it doesn't show us the errors. So here we have taken an integer score equals to 50 and we are adding 10 to the score. So what does it mean? So consider it as a short form of score equals to score plus 10. We are just using score plus equals to 10. And if we are just printing it, we will see it will be 60, right? Because we are just adding 10 to it. So we have 60 here. And if we want to create a calculator app, like we can use these operators to create it like very easily. And operators are used in every program, like from basic calculations to complex logic in big apps, we use it. And so in this video, you learned about arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment operators in C++. In the next video, we'll be using these operators with conditional statements, okay, like if else and switch.